And hi, this is Dr. Jorge Blay, and we are in Hort 101 in our backyard here in York, Pennsylvania. I am holding and shaking a small example of Cercis canadensis, Eastern redbud, or as I like to call it, Eastern North America redbud. As you know, I'm the project leader of the revised chapter of Eastern redbud, which is a native, relatively small, about 40, 50 feet max, ornamental tree. And it has spread all over the world. Why? Because it's beautiful. And Eastern redbud commands a lot of money in this country. So this, as you know, is a very important effort in my own research. Okay, so today we are repotting some other species of Cercis. So right here we have just repotted Cercis siliquastrum, which is obviously another redbud. This is called Mediterranean redbud or Judas tree, because the belief is that after Judas betrayed JC, meaning Jesus Christ, he ran away and hung himself from a Cercis siliquastrum. Who knows if that's correct? Anyway, so we have too many Cercis siliquastrums here growing in this small container, and you will see in another video what's the meaning of these small containers. And we're gonna gently, emphasis on gently, try to remove it. And as you can see, it had the label siliquastrum. So let's see if we can do this. Ooh, nice. A little bit on the wet side. I don't like that. So now gently we remove them from the company of the others. And these are all, you remember, members of the legume family. Many, not all, members of the legume family are nitrogen fixers. Cercis canadensis is. Some are better than other nitrogen fixers. So we have 3 specimens here. This is the smallest one, and they all look in relatively good shape. So I'm gonna scoop some dirt from a container we have already prepared with peat moss, perlite, etc. And I'm gonna put some here, a little bit, and put the little siliquastrum here.